Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, Wednesday, the 10th day of January, 2018. We'll take a look at Bitcoin on 3 different time frames, starting with the daily, everything you do within your own risk and own reward. So since the all-time high, which is in this parabolic trend, breaking both of the green trend lines and staying above it so far, it made the higher low, which was pretty much a guarantee from this last low. After that, it makes a lower high up to the 18 average of such, thus looking now to revert the trend. But the low after that, barely a higher one. And then it barely makes a higher high, enough to make the 18 average start to barely roll over. Which is why it's very important for price action to hold and stay above the general area, which is at where it's at now. Enough to keep this 18 average on a sideways move with the last 2 hits of this area. This makes this a significant resistance point. Thus, a break of this level, you'd be looking for a move up to the previous high as your next level of resistance. If there's any selling that comes on, you got the previous level of support twice hit. So the same there if this doesn't hold. And breaking down below that, you'd have to think the previous November highs. Let's take a look at this on a more longer term perspective. And this is a 4-day time frame where price action is holding and staying above, it's staying within the 18 average of highs. And it's doing quite well. How much this might need to be in a sideways range, we'll see. In the support level of the range could be lower, but market is holding the great gains well at this stage. And finally, on the 10-day time frame, the price is holding above the 18 average of highs. If there's going to be any move back to the 18 lows, we're looking at it rising north of the 8,000 handle. So it's looking more and more as if moves to 5,000 seems less likely for any next major decent move, which I think would probably come down towards this area. But when this thing gets going above this more shorter term resistance, then the trend should remain to what it has been doing. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.